So what did Matt design for you that when you got done with it, because Matt was working with LearnWorlds and Articulate, and I know we did some cool animation stuff. There must
Mhm.
be a couple lessons or something where it just knocked your socks off. Can you give us a few examples?
Right. Well, whenever I say something, because he really understood my process, and that I would have to give, oh, hats off to Matthew, because he really understood it. When I would say something, he heard it, and he translated into maybe a multiple choice question where we had cute little animations that you choose something, and there was a little animation and a cheers, and you did well, and so it was like somebody was right there helping you along, and that's what Matthew was able to do. And then I did checkpoints, and of course then I worked with Vidal on the videos and the and the animation and
Uh-huh.
all of that. That it all what Matthew and Vidal did was bring life to my process. So
Yeah.
all of a sudden, when I thought, oh, how am I going to do this to the masses? I thought this is going to be better than what I could do one-on-one without all
Well,
of this animation.
right. And in a way, can we just stop to recognize it's interesting you mentioned Matt's, but the online course delivery format is the way to get to the masses. It's
Yes.
it's not so much a hard copy book. I mean, that maybe if you're Abraham Lincoln or something, but if you but that's supposed to be sort of funny, but the online course gives you
Mhm.
that 24/7 available to anybody that can get online anywhere in the world
Yeah.
that can understand English,
Yes.
which
Yes.
last time I checked, honestly, is something like I want to say 3.7 billion people.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like it's huge. So welcome to the
Yeah.
masses.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. It was the only way to reach the masses, to reach that larger audience, but
yeah.
still have a personal connection. That was the key. And but the best part about it is you taught me how to do all this. Which
Right. I was just going to say it's a darn good thing you had a good on-camera coach
yeah, yeah,
because that personal connection would have been, you're when we first met, you were like had bedhead, you were in front of the utility room. It just wasn't working, and we had to get you out of the tutu, and
yeah.
no, it wasn't that bad.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. You're exaggerating a little bit, but that's
just a
okay.
bit.
No, it truly is, and the more I do it, and I've had just a few people go through it and sample it, and they're just going, "Oh my word, how could we have ever done this without the videos? There's just no way." And I have certified coaches in other countries, and they're just thrilled about it because now they can come in different parts of it and help the people. And then if they want to work one-on-one with them, it works out too. So there's a win-win for everybody. And as long as a person has the knowledge and you think, how am I going to get that out there? Really, CourseCREEK is the avenue to put it all together to launch you on the right, how would I say, on the right program, right, what do you call that? The right platform, to launch you on the right platform to make sure that what you're looking for, you're getting. I just wanted a ton of engagement. Like
You did. You
I
did.
wanted, you would hear me say that, Robert. I said, how am I going to over and over?
I
I said,
know.
Robert, I need engagement. I need engagement. And then you said, yeah, Matthew's got this. He's got this, what do you call that? That term I always kind of forget.
Well, Matthew's got the experience and
Yeah,
he's got
well,
the patience.
yeah,
He
yeah, right.
also has
What's
the
it?
cutting to the chase. So the specialized software, an authoring tool that we use called Articulate 360.
That's what it was. Yeah.
Which folks, if you're not familiar with it, it's basically it's software that instructional designers use that makes modern online courses extraordinarily engaging,
Mhm.
gamification, sort of like a pop-up book for adults. So the learners
Yeah.
are engaged in a lot of fun, interactive things, and it's super popular, and our folks can build on that. So when she said engaging, I thought Articulate 360, and Matt
Mhm.
and Shirley went in. Mind if I tell a story a little bit? Matt and
No,
Shirley
go
went
ahead.
in, started working on this thing, and I kind of knew what they were working on, but I was running the business on the side, and then LearnWorlds came to us and asked us to do a to do an event, and we needed a
Mhm.
case study, and Shirley was kind enough to allow us to use her website and stuff to get in there. And it'd been a long time since I poked my nose inside her course. And honestly, folks, in regards to the teamwork that Shirley and our instructional designer did, we cracked into their website to prepare for the LearnWorld thing, and I was like, my eyes, my eyes, you know. I mean, it was
where did this
amazing.
go?
I'm looking at a really cool animation graphic inside the thing, and it was a lesson, and it was interactive, and the little character was coaching on how to make a log on your eating habits, and it was a combination of Shirley's brilliance and her idea and Matt's talent for instructional design all in one. And I felt so proud. I was like, wow, that is absolutely awesome. And the people at LearnWorlds were just blown away by it.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. No, and it was fun. The thing is, and Matthew, when you said patience, oh my word. And it was always, and this is the thing, it was always, oh yes, we can do that. Okay, yes, we can do that. It was always, oh, we can do that. I went, oh my word. Okay, if we can do this, can we do this? That's why I just kept building. And I got this full engagement with the client as they come into it. That is exactly what I was looking for. And what my main concern was when I was going to place this and create this course online.
Well, we're the can-do kids.
Yeah, you're the can-do kids. If any of you are out there and you have an idea, but you don't feel like you have the skills or the knowledge to put this online, to create a course online, I had none, absolutely none. And when I talked to Robert, he said, no problem. You know your material, we know ours. And he was absolutely right. So if you're thinking about developing a course online, I can't imagine doing it with anyone else, because they truly care that you understand it, that you get it, and you get the best product out there.
Thank you, Shirley. Really appreciate your shout out.
Yeah.